How to make garnets in MU Dark Epoch. So the materials used for upgrading or enhancing higher level equipment. So you don't directly craft garnets from nothing. Instead, they are typically obtained by combining lower tier materials. So somewhat like an exchange. Or you could also buy them or get them in wishes. Or even mining over here. As you can see, you can get these materials to exchange for the garments. So let's say we begin mining, and eventually once that's done, we'll be able to get those garment jewels for the garments. Now, if you want to know the other ways, you can go ahead directly in the garnet shop and then press on the garnet here. There's the Land of Demons, you got the exchange, bounty quest, wish crystals, which does have a free wish, but after that there's going to be a price, which is 40 diamonds or 50 diamonds. And one of the common way to get garnets is the exchange, which we did mention. It's going to be the garnet jewel, the jewel of chaos, and the jewel of creation, which will be unlocked the further you are into the game. But you will be able to get access to this immediately or somewhat early in the game. You can either max it out and get as much as you want, as long as you do have the materials, and then you can just go ahead and press an exchange and then you will get the garnets. You can find this in the specific said sections. It will show you where to get them: solo bosses, world bosses, and including the other items as well. It's pretty similar but higher difficulty and higher levels, but that is basically how you can get or exchange or access garnets in MU Dark Epoch. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.